In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze your marketing email campaign performance in HubSpot. First, open your browser, head to Google, and search for HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and sign into your account. Make sure you have the right permissions to access marketing tools so you can view email analytics. Once you're in, move your cursor over the main navigation on the left and locate the marketing section. From there, choose Email. This takes you to the email dashboard, where you'll see a list of your sent and scheduled emails. Find the specific campaign you want to evaluate. Hover your mouse over that email to reveal more options, then select Actions. In the menu that appears, click View Details. This opens the detailed analytics page for that individual email. At the top of this page, select the Performance tab. This is your analytics hub. You'll see a comprehensive view of how the email performed, with metrics designed to help you understand both engagement and deliverability at a glance. Start with the overview. Here you can confirm basic outcomes like how many recipients the email was sent to, how many deliveries succeeded, and how many bounced. Pay attention to the open rate and click-through rate, and note the difference between total and unique interactions to avoid double-counting repeat opens or clicks. If a timeline or trend chart is available, use it to spot when engagement peaked. Next, look at open performance. This helps you judge whether your subject line and preview text resonated. If opens spike right after send and then drop, your timing likely worked. If opens are low overall, consider whether your audience, send time, or subject needs refinement in future sends. Move to click performance to see which links drew attention. Identify your top clicked links and how clicks distributed across your email. This can validate your call to action placement and wording. A high click-to-open rate means your content delivered on the promise of the subject line. Check email health for signals like unsubscribes, spam reports, and bounce rate. Keep these numbers low to protect your sender reputation. If they're elevated, tighten your targeting and maintain list hygiene. Review deliverability to understand how reliably your message reached inboxes. Consistent deliverability reflects good domain setup and a healthy list. Explore readability to gauge how easy your email is to scan and understand. Clear headings, concise copy, and accessible design typically improve engagement. Finally, if available, look at revenue to see how the email influenced purchases or deals. Treat it as a directional indicator and compare against your campaign goals. That's it. Repeat this process for other emails to benchmark performance and continuously improve your results.